Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can basically not miss a traveling merchant and grow a garden. So it spawns every 4 hours in UTC time. You can like change the time zone like by yourself to your time zone. So like at 12 a.m., 4 a.m., 8 a.m., 12 p.m. and so on and so forth. But you can also join this Discord. I might put the link in the description box down below. And if you go to channels and roles, you can be notified for the merchants. I'm just going to enable all of it. And then later it will notify me on the merchant here. As you can see, this is the channel here. It'll also show you what's in stock and the like merchant thing. But anyways, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. And that is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.